Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so you don't chase the wrong problem. First, confirm your ISP isn't down and that your account is active. Call or check their outage page. Once done, power cycle both modem and router. Unplug power for 10 seconds, then restore. This clears transient faults. Next, inspect cables. Tighten coax/DSL and Ethernet connections and swap the router's power cable if it's loose. Make sure indicator LEDs respond before moving on. Now you dive into configuration to find persistent issues. Log into the router admin at 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1. Using credentials, look at WAN status and verify the router has a public or ISP-assigned IP. If no IP appears, toggle DHCP on the WAN or clone your PC's MAC address. Next, check DNS and DHCP ranges, make small fixes and save. If firmware is old, update it, then reboot. If misconfig persists, backup settings and factory reset to restore baseline. Finish by securing and validating the network so devices stay stable. Recreate your Wi-Fi SSID, choose a clear 20 or 40 MHz channel, and enable WPA2 or WPA3 security. Change default admin password. Test on a wired PC to isolate Wi-Fi issues, run a speed test, and compare results to your plan. If problems persist, swap in a spare router to confirm hardware, collect the router logs, and contact your ISP. Key tip: keep a record of changes so you can undo steps quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.